Hi everybody, welcome to Workshop Wednesday. How are all of you doing? I'm so excited about our new dream kits, the Pillow Talk Dream Kits, which are all about showing ourselves a little self-love. So today I wanted to show you the affirmation cards and just give you a quick look at how I make them. What I decided when I was thinking about this new drop is that the world does not really need more stuff right now, right? We have so much stuff in America. What I felt like we really need is more peace of mind. We need more tiny rituals for ourselves. You know, we don't have much time. So if we can make some kind of short, tiny rituals to help get us centered and grounded and filled up with love and positivity, then that would be fantastic. So that was my inspiration behind the Pillow Talk Dream Kits. So in addition to the sleep mask that you'll find in the box, you'll also find a little bag filled with our affirmation cards, right? So this one says, I am capable, powerful, and resilient, because aren't you? And so I actually handmade these cards, and I just felt like, you know, it takes some time, but that time actually really helps me to get centered and relaxed, and I feel like I can infuse these cards with some of that intention and some of that positivity. So what I do first is I bought this watercolor pad, and then I cut them up into tiny squares. So I'll take the first one, which is blank, right? And I'm gonna get out my ink pad. And then I just picked up a bunch of these letter stamps, which I figure I can repurpose in the future to make whatever it is I would like to make. And again, it does take a little time because I have to dig through the alphabet and find every letter. And they're not perfect. Each one is going to be a little different. It might be a little lopsided, a little up and down. But, you know, that's how life is too. And it's really about the intention behind these cards and these little moments that we're creating for ourselves. And most of these quotes came from women in my life. You know, I've had a lot of different sort of mother figures. I've been blessed to have not only my biological mother, but my mother's best friend, who I call my aunt. She's always a listening ear for me. So one of the quotes is actually from her. And then I've just had some really amazing teachers and mentors over the years. My friend Beatrice, if she's listening, who is just like a beacon of strength. She's really helped me. And so, you know, as women, we go through these experiences, and we can kind of share them with the women that come after us and help sort of pave the way. So that is part of what we're doing here with these cards. And so each one, like I said, takes a little time. I'm down to the end here. What would you guys like to see on these cards? Can you share some of your favorite quotes with me? I'd love to hear it, because I have some, you know, now, but these cards, I have a feeling, are going to be ever evolving as I live more life. And I would love to hear what some of you have to say, because I'm sure that you've had some really influential women in your lives as well. Where's my O? My O is hiding. I have a feeling my baby got into here and messed with some of these letters. Oh, I almost ran out of room to squish the last letter in. But like I said, they're handmade. So here we go. Do you want to know what it says? If you want to know and you want to know more, pick one up, okay? So there we go, the Pillow Talk Dream Kit. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.